they've gone this sustainable route where they're basically trying to make 1,000 horsepower by strapping a Prius lithium-ion battery to every one of these engines. And it's like, I want to see rockets, not fuel-efficient lawnmowers going around the track. This is the biggest engine gamble since 2014. And nobody wants to say that it's not, as it is right now, it does not look like it's working.
And this is where I feel like there's some gaslighting going on. There's some propping up going on. No one wants to name what you've just said. I mean, Max is out there, saying what Max always says, which is refreshing. But in the event this just doesn't result in better racing, what do we do? If this new regs just falls flat on its face, what do we do?